Students, now fifth chapter coordinate geometry. See this some introduction. About coordinate geometry, here introduction. Coordinate geometry is also called analytical geometry also. A French mathematician René Descartes introduced analytical geometry. He is one of the father of analytical geometry. Who is father? René Descartes. René Descartes. He is a French mathematician. French mathematician René Descartes introduced by analytical geometry. He is the father of analytical geometry. Analytical geometry is also called Cartesian geometry. Cartesian geometry. So in that Cartesian geometry, studying by geometry coordinate system, using coordinate system. So what is coordinate system? Here horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. This total coordinate system. In this horizontal line is called x-axis, x dash, vertical line is called y-axis, y dash. In that x-axis, y-axis intersect point is called origin. This is origin represent to O. Origin O equal to 0, 0. This points 0, 0. How to denote it O? Origin. Origin denoted capital O. O equal to points 0, 0. From origin to write all positive integers, means from 0 to here 1, 2, 3, 4 like. From origin to means OX is called positive direction of x-axis. OX is called positive direction of x-axis. And from origin to left all negative integers, -1, -2, -3 like. Means OX dash is called negative direction of x-axis. OX dash is called negative direction of x-axis. From origin to above all positive integers, means from 0 to above all positive integers 1, 2, 3, below all negative integers -1, -2, -3 like. Here OY is called positive direction of y-axis. Positive direction of y-axis. OY dash is called negative direction of y-axis. Negative direction of y-axis. Here about see that horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, horizontal line, vertical line. Intersect point is called origin. Origin denoted by 0 or O. In that O equal to 0, 0, that points from origin to right all positive integers, from origin to left all negative integers, from origin to above all positive integers, from origin to below all negative integers. For that OX is called positive direction of x-axis. OX dash, OX is called positive direction of x-axis. OX dash, positive direction, negative direction of x-axis. OY is called positive direction of y-axis. OY dash, negative direction of y-axis. Positive direction, negative direction of y-axis. In this x-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. For that intersect point origin, from origin to right all positive integers, left all negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4 like. From above all positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Below all negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4 like. In that x-axis, y-axis, they divide 4 quadrants. Here divide 4 quadrants. In that quadrants, it will be arranged anti-clockwise direction. Means clock like this, anti-clockwise direction. Means this is first quadrant. Quadrants denoted Q1. Here 4 quadrants. What are 4 quadrants? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. In that 4 quadrants, it will arrange it to anti-clockwise direction. Here it is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. In that it will arrange it to anti-clockwise direction. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In that 4 quadrants, in that here taken 2 points x and y. In that x and y, here both are positive. In first quadrant, both are positive, means plus plus. X ordinate is plus, y ordinate also plus. In that second quadrant, minus plus. X and y, how it will be? Minus and plus. Means x ordinate negative, y ordinate positive. Third quadrant, both are negative. Means x ordinate negative, y ordinate also negative. Next, fourth quadrant, plus minus. Means x ordinate positive, y ordinate negative. Here 4 quadrant, both x and y, here first quadrant both are positive, second quadrant negative positive, third quadrant both are negative, fourth quadrant positive negative. For that again x and y, here x is greater than 0 conditions, y also greater than 0, both are positive, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. In first quadrant, second quadrant condition, x less than 0, y greater than 0, x is negative, y is positive. Here both are negative, means x less than 0, y less than 0. Next, in fourth quadrant, first one positive, means x is greater than 0, y less than 0. This is condition for that fourth quadrant. Here first one p of x comma y is belongs to Q1. In that first quadrant Q1, what is condition here? X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. About first quadrant. Next, second quadrant, p of x comma y is belongs to second quadrant, means Q2. What is condition for that? X is less than 0, y is greater than 0. Less than means this is negative. Greater than means y is positive. Got it? Here understand. Next, third quadrant, p of x comma y is belongs to third quadrant, means Q3. What is condition for that? X less than 0, y less than 0. And next, fourth quadrant, p of x comma y, these two ordinates, x comma y are ordinates, is belongs to Q4. Fourth quadrant, what is condition for that? X is greater than 0, y is less than 0. For that, here x and y, about 4 quadrants. Again see here Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. How it will be arranged? Anti-clockwise direction. What we call here Q1, Q2? Quadrants. Quadrants. How many quadrants? 4 quadrants. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, like that. Here in that 4 quadrants, how it will be arranged? Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. It will arrange it to anti-clockwise direction. In that, in first quadrant, both are positive. Means x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Second quadrant, x less than 0, y greater than 0, minus plus. Third quadrant, both are negative. X less than 0, y less than 0. In fourth quadrant, x greater than 0, y less than 0, plus minus. About this, here x comma y. What we call here x comma y? X is called first one x ordinate, abscissa. Means in that x comma y 2 points take alpha comma beta. Alpha comma beta. X, y means x1, x means what here? First one, c on x-axis. First point, c on x-axis. Y means c on y-axis. Like that, Here x comma y, take alpha comma beta, alpha comma beta. In that alpha is called x ordinate or abscissa. What we call here alpha means first one here x ordinate or abscissa. This is one of the blank abscissa. And beta means the second one is called y ordinate. Here x and y, two ordinates. What we call, he can take alpha comma beta. Alpha is called here this one x ordinate or abscissa, and the second one beta. Beta is called y ordinate or ordinate. First one x ordinate is called abscissa, y ordinate ordinate. Here x and y are called coordinates of x-axis. Coordinates of x-axis. In that, a plane which is divided to x-axis and y-axis is called total coordinate. Coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. This total will be called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. This is called coordinate system. So about these four quadrants, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and conditions, symbols, this total is called coordinate plane or coordinate system, Cartesian system.